Imagine the lively, soul-stirring sound of a fiddle, its melody weaving through a warm, welcoming space. If you are looking to experience that magic firsthand, you are in for a treat. You can absolutely hear live Irish fiddle music and many other traditional Irish instruments all over Ireland. The best places to find these vibrant performances are typically in local pubs, at dedicated music venues, and during traditional music festivals. It is a central part of Irish culture and easy to discover once you know where to look. The heart of live Irish music lies in what are known as traditional music sessions, or simply trad sessions. These are informal gatherings where musicians play together for their own enjoyment and for the pleasure of the audience. Unlike a formal concert, sessions are often spontaneous and encourage participation. They are a living tradition, passed down through generations, making the music dynamic and deeply authentic. This spontaneous, community-driven nature is why these sessions have endured and are so prevalent across the country. To find a session, start by asking locals at your accommodation, at tourist information centers, or even in local shops. Many pubs in towns and villages, especially those known for their traditional character, will host regular sessions, often on specific nights of the week. Look for signs outside pubs advertising traditional music, or simply listen for the distinctive sound filtering through open doors. Websites like tradconnect.com or thesession.org are also excellent online resources where musicians and venues list upcoming performances and sessions, allowing you to plan ahead. When you attend a session, you are not just a spectator, you are part of a shared experience. The energy is infectious, and you might hear tunes you recognize or discover new favorites. Musicians often play in rounds, taking turns to lead a tune, and the repertoire is vast, ranging from lively jigs and reels to slower, more contemplative airs. Sometimes a song might break out, or even a bit of shennos, which means old-style singing, adding another layer to the musical tapestry. Experiencing live Irish fiddle music offers a direct connection to the soul of Ireland. Whether it is in a cozy pub, a bustling festival, or a dedicated venue, the genuine warmth of the musicians and the power of the music create truly unforgettable memories. It is an invitation to immerse yourself in a vibrant, living tradition that welcomes everyone.